Hello, this is part 8 of the Raspberry Pi War Tank project, and the LCD display has been successfully embedded into the War Tank code. So if I run the code and I make the tank move forward, wait, I need to power it on, and I make the tank move forward, moving forwards, and you can hear the dude just going forwards. If I make it backwards, it will display moving backwards, turning right, turning left, and it also works for the turret. So this is marked with an L for left, so when I press it, it will display turret left, and it goes to the left. If I press the right button, it will display turret right, and it will go to the right. So yeah, that's about it. Turret left, turret right, moving forwards, moving backwards. So that's all for this episode. Oh, actually, one thing I've noticed, one thing I've noticed is, in like episode 6, when I got the joystick to move with the, to move the motors, when I display, when I move the motors, the turret could be moved at the same time. But when I am moving the turret, I cannot move, the joystick doesn't work. So like if I'm powering the joystick, the turret works. But if I'm powering the turret when I'm not powering the joystick, then the joystick doesn't work. It only works when these aren't pressed, but when this is pressed, these work normally. Why, I have no idea. It's probably because of the if statements, but it's fine. Alright, so that's about it for this. I will see you in part 9. Bye bye!